Good morning, students. Welcome back to class 11 biology class. In previous periods, we have started unit 3rd, cell, the unit of life. Today we have to read new topic, structural organization of the cell. The body of organism, both unicellular and multicellular organism, is made up of cell or cells. These cells are basically a structural and functional unit of life. Structurally, a cell is a mass of protoplasm or protoplast which is surrounded by a protective and selectively permeable covering known as plasma lemma or plasma membrane or simply cell membrane. In plant cell, membrane is again surrounded by a rigid cell wall, but in animal cells, outermost boundary wall of cell is cell membrane. So ancient philosophers believed that organism body is made up of tiny units. The history of cells began with the publication of book Micrographia in London by Robert Hooke in 1965. For the first time, he observed honeycomb-like structures in cork cell of Quercus suberic. He named the chamber as cell as they looked like compartments. Cells are the sustainable unit of organism as these are capable of biosynthesis, multiplication, energy transformations and self-reproductions. Shape and size of cell. The cells may be rectangular, cylindrical, oval, rounded, elongated, needle-like, triangular, polygonal, cuboidal, flattened or irregular in shape. Size of cells varies from organism to organism. Mycoplasma galli septicum is the smallest organism cell or smallest cell is mycoplasma and largest cell is nerve cell of human beings. Their diameter is about 0.1 micron or 0.001 micron. Length of our nerve cell is about 90 centimeter. The egg of bird ostrich is the largest cell of the world. The diameter of ostrich egg is about 175 millimeters. Acetobacteria, an algae, is an unicellular algae, length of which is about 10 centimeters. Light microscopic view of cell. Light microscopic view of the cell. Our eyes cannot see very minute substance having size 0.1 mm or 100 micron. To see such structure or substances, some special instruments are required called as microscope. Light microscope is a simple type of microscope which can magnify the things 1500 to 2000 times. Thus, by the help of this microscope, we can see the structure having size up to 0.3 micron to or 300 angstrom, 3000 angstroms. Compound microscope can magnify the things 4000 times, and magnification power of electron microscope is 2 log to 2,50,000 times. Cells when seen under an ordinary light microscope seem to have following structures: a prominent nucleus in the center of cell, A viscous substance surround the nucleus is called cytoplasm. An outer boundary of the cell known as cell membrane. Plant cells have an additional cell wall made up of cellulose on the outer side of cell membrane. Cell membrane is not easily visible under light microscope. Larger cell organelles like mitochondria, plastids, chloroplast in plants, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, centrosomes, cilia, flagella, nucleolus, vacuoles and chromosomes are also visible, but their detailed structures cannot be observed under light microscopes. Minute cell organelles like ribosome, lysosome, peroxisome, glyoxysomes and stereosomes cannot be observed under light microscopes. For their observations, electron microscope is required. Electron microscopic view of the cell. Electron microscope was discovered by Knoll and Raska in 1932. When seen under the electron microscopes, many details of the structural organization of cell become clear. With the help of electron microscope, we can see the things having size up to 0.025 angstrom. It can magnify the structures 2 log to 2 log 50,000 times. All cell organelles can be seen clearly through electron microscope. We have already studied about the history and general structure of plants and animal cells. Therefore, we shall study about the ultra structure of or electron microscopic structure of the cells. Compartmentation for cellular life. Each cell of living organism may be considered as a compartment enclosed by a continuous membrane known as plasma membranes. Plasma membrane or cell membrane form the boundary of the cell, or it form boundary wall of the cells, but within the cells there are many membrane bounded cell organelles which form compartmentations inside the cell.